Hey, Mama, do you know my Lord? Hey, Mama, do you know my Lord? Tell the people from door to door. Hey, Mama, do you know my Lord? What all the people in the islands play in the sunshine every day. But Jesus came to show the way and teach his children how to pray. Hey, Mon. Hey, Mon, do you know my Lord? Hey, Mon. Hey, Mon, do you know my Lord? Tell the people from door to door. Hey, Mon, do you know my Lord? Hey, Mon, do you know my Lord? Hey, Mon, do you know my Lord? Tell the people from door to door. Hey, Mon, do you know my Lord? Hey, Mon, do you know my Lord? As you can see, the message of this song is about evangelizing. And that's an important thing we learn in our mission section of Sabbath School. And so we're going to reenact more or less one of the stories that we read about this quarter.
Once upon a time, there was a family. There was a mom, a little sister, and a little brother. But unfortunately, they didn't know Jesus. Then one day, Mom's boss came with bad news.
You're fired! Say what?
So Mom, little sister, and little brother had to move and live with aunt and uncle.
Sorry guys, we heard the bad news. It's okay, you guys can come with us. Thank you.
Aunt and uncle were really religious, so they brought the family to church.
Why don't you come to church with us? But it's Saturday. Yeah, we're Seventh-day Adventists. We worship on Saturday. We believe it's the true Sabbath. Okay, we'll give it a shot. Okay. This is our family. Welcome to our church.
Then the family became a part of the church family and learned about Jesus.
Happy Sabbath.
Chris.